Hey everyone, welcome to Gardening Escape. Today I will give an update of my blackberry plant grown in container and how to take care of this plant at fruiting stage. Last year in August, I started growing blackberry up on my rooftop garden. At first I planted it in small 8-inch container, and then as the plant grew bigger, I had to arrange a 20-liter bucket. Finally, after a short stay of winter, it produced flowers. So roughly about 10 months all it took to produce the first ever blackberry on my rooftop. Normally in winter, this plant goes dormant, and from mid-February to end of March, it produces flowers. But in tropical climate, dormancy never happens properly. So to get flowers, forced dormancy, pruning and defoliation method can be adopted. I did follow the methods, almost stopped watering the plant and trimmed every leaf. As a result, I have these fruits now. Still very small, but with proper feeding, this will grow even bigger. Like every fruiting plant, blackberry needs lot of organic food. A good nutrient-rich fertilizer mix and some minerals will help in keeping the vigor of the plant. Along with 15 gram mustard cake, I will mix 15 gram bone meal, 15 gram neem cake and 1 gram potassium sulfate for balanced diet. This will slowly keep feeding the plant for a long time. But it will not be sufficient for good quality fruits. To get sweeter blackberry with more flesh, we have to feed the plant with monopotassium phosphate at regular intervals. Monopotassium phosphate contains high phosphate, which increases fruit size, and high potassium increases sweetness. 1 gram MKP diluted to 1 liter of water once in a week will work excellent for most of the berries. Only feeding may not ensure good fruit production. Especially the plants grown in containers can suffer due to lack of moisture. That's where mulching plays a part. I have lots of homemade compost in my compost bin. So far, I got good results using it as mulch around the plant base. Proper irrigation of container grown blackberry is very important at fruiting stage. Lack of water will cause dryness of feeder roots as well as tap roots. It will force the plant to drop some leaves and fruits. So fruit production can get hampered a lot. In Indian tropical climate, summers are very hot, so watering twice a day is recommended. At very young stage, fruits are so much vulnerable to pests like fruit fly, raspberry beetle and aphids. They attack fruits, new canes and new shoots. It will be absolutely devastating if these pests are left untreated. So as a preventive measure, neem oil spray or pheromone traps can be used. 2 ml neem oil along with 1 liter of water will work just fine. Another bio-friendly measure to stop pest attacks is covering the plant with nets. Any mosquito net will serve the purpose. Also, it will keep away birds from eating blackberries. I have nets all around my rooftop garden, so monkeys and birds aren't a problem at all. That's all for today guys. I will post an update once these fruits are ripe and ready to harvest. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.